Cut a third of the Oasis Floral foam, trim the edges, and wrap it using a cling film. This will help retain the moisture and will hold your foam together as you insert thicker stems into it. Secure your foam using florist tape. Begin with the hydrangea, followed by the spray roses. When inserting your flowers into the foam, hold the lower part of the stem and push it into the foam. This will prevent your stems from breaking or bending upon insertion. Place some foliage and flower fillers next to the blooms to cover the gaps in between. Filler flowers give the arrangement a beautiful accent, and this creates added interest. Note that these flowers and foliage have all been conditioned. Conditioning involves preparing your flowers and foliage prior to its arrangement. Clipping your flowers and foliage in the early morning or in the evening ensures that they are most hydrated and will last longer. Strip the leaves off your flower stems. Ensure that you remove all leaves which may be in the vase water. With the use of a clean and sharp knife, cut your flower stems under an angle of 45 degrees for maximum water uptake. I've made a separate video for this. Using a clean vase with lukewarm water and flower food ensures the longevity of your flowers. But this does not apply to all types of flowers because some flowers, like tulips, perform better in cold water. Let your flowers stay hydrated overnight. Hydrangeas have woody stems like roses, but unlike roses, they need a lot of water to stay fresh from their stem ends and through their petals to avoid wilting. Through experience, using boiling water with flower food keeps the hydrangea flower looking fresh and crisp longer. Just make sure that your vessel is tall and has a wide opening so that the steam will not come in direct contact with the florets of the hydrangea. It is also good to know that harvesting matured hydrangea stems are stronger than those snipped during the growing season. So if you buy your hydrangea flowers in February or March in an attempt to make a floral arrangement, this will not last because it's not in their season. Hydrangeas harvested in the summer or in fall are expected to last longer because they are more matured. If, however, you encounter a wilted hydrangea flower, don't despair. Simply cut the stems, dip it into a quick dip solution, and immediately place it in boiling water with flower food. This would help revive your wilting flower. Notice that I'm using flowers with the different shades and tints of pink, and the yellow-green leaves complements it. Complementary colors are naturally pleasing to the eyes because they make things stand out. I also used white flowers because it combines with everything. Planting trees and shrubs is so rewarding. If you haven't started yet, I challenge you to do so. Start with perennials because they come back year after year. Look at these lovely roses, peonies, and hydrangeas. They are just jewels in our garden. A lot of flowers show one color and gradually change colors over their growing season. Take for instance this white hydrangea. Come autumn, the florets become light green. Magical, isn't it? Just like that. Continually check for small gaps. Insert some flower fillers like the Spirea japonica to fill in the gaps. Insert some star jasmine vines at the lower central portion of the foam. Choose the vines that have a slightly wavy shape. This will give your floral arrangement a beautiful cascading form. Once you're done, spray your arrangement with finishing touch. It hydrates your flowers and it maintains the fresh appearance of your arrangement. Hi, I hope you like this DIY floral candelabra centerpiece. Thanks again and enjoy the rest of the day.